To view, add and remove sleeping apps on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery. Tap battery and then tap background usage limit. Now tap sleeping apps. Here you can see the list of apps that have been put to sleep, either manually added by you or automatically added by your phone. As a note, sleeping apps will run in the background only occasionally. That's why updates and notification of this app may be delayed. Next, to add an app to this list or to put an app to sleep manually, tap the plus icon at the top right. Select the required app you like to put to sleep and then tap add. You can see that the selected app has been added to the list. Next, to remove an app from this list or to set an app to never sleep manually, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right and then select remove. Now select the required app you like to set to never sleep and then tap remove. You can see that the selected app has been removed from the sleeping app list and will be moved to never sleep app list. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.